I've been seeing homeschooling room tours a lot lately on YouTube, so I thought I would show you guys our homeschool room. So my daughter is doing K-12 right now. So far we love it. It's only been our first week, but they did send us a laptop and a printer to use, and then that little chart came with all her books and everything. I have all of her books here as well as in here. I have a little calendar, a map. In here is art supplies, just binders full of my husband's work, just a bunch of random things. But right here are extra workbooks, just like random workbooks. And I have my real estate books over there to the side. And then there's just a couple books we have here. And the rest is just like a mess. We have paper towels. I need to organize all this. So yeah, let's get out of here. Over here, I have a star chart. This is for the girls. When they actually do a chore, I will put a star on it. It's a little sparse right now. But yeah, after 10 stars, I give them $1. So I'm trying to teach them that. I have these I got off of Amazon. I will link them down below for you guys. It came with all of these. Then it came with those two. And I have 4 other charts in my girls' playroom. So it comes with a lot of different charts. It came with an alphabet one, 1 through 10, animals, and something else. But I will link it down below, like I said. I got this little calendar right here for my daughter. That was at Five Below. And then these I found at a school supply store that just closed down, so I'm really sad about that. But the Melissa and Doug you can find on Amazon. I love them. That bookshelf I found at the Goodwill, and I just painted it and put some Little Mermaid stickers. I got all these books for my daughter at Costco. These are great. They have the My First ones, and they have that one. Oh yeah, it says it right there. Through 4, and 4 is advanced. But I got these ones for her since she's in the 1st grade. These ones we got a while ago. It has like every letter of the alphabet. Picture dictionary, my sister got her that. Then I have some of these decodable books. So yeah, that is our little homeschool. Oh, I have this for like any artwork she does or anything that she gets excited about I could put on here. So that was my small little room tour. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will link whatever I can in here. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.